Greetings to all. Welcome to All-in-One Super Coaching. In our foundation series classes, today we are going to discuss fractions. So compared to other lessons, this is a simple topic. Here, let us discuss different types of fractions. In that, the first one is unit fractions. Unit means 1. Unit fractions means the numerator is 1. Then the next part is proper and improper fractions. Proper fractions means numerator is always less than the denominator. That is proper fractions. Then improper fraction is numerator is always greater than the denominator. They are improper fractions. The next set is like and unlike fractions. Like fractions means certain fractions having same denominators. Unlike fractions means certain fractions having different denominators. They are all called unlike fractions. Now the next topic is mixed fractions. Mixed fractions is a combination of a whole number and a fraction. Now these are the main topics. Now we need to convert a mixed fraction into an improper fraction and an improper fraction into mixed fraction also. So this is what we are going to today's class. Okay, let us directly go to the class now. Okay, fractions. First one is proper fractions. See the examples. 1 by 3, 2 by 5 and 7 by 9. In all these three examples, numerator is less than the denominator. So if numerator is less than the denominator, these type of fractions are called proper fractions. The next is improper fractions. See the example. 3 by 2, 5 by 3 and 7 by 4. In all these examples, numerator is greater than the denominator. So these fractions are called improper fractions. Then what do you mean by like fractions? Like fractions and unlike fractions. Like fractions are fractions having same denominator. In this example, the denominator is the same. 3 by 17, 5 by 17, 8 by 17, etc. Unlike fractions means with the fractions with a different denominator. So here 3 by 7, 7 by 8, 1 by 9, 3 by 11. In all these cases, denominator is different. So they are unlike fractions. Next is mixed fractions. See the examples. 1, 1 by 3, 2, 3 by 4, 3, 5 by 7. This is a combination of a whole number and a fraction. So mixed fraction. Now convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. How to convert a mixed fraction into improper fractions? So in the example 2, 3 by 4, first of all you multiply 2 and 4, then add the result to 3. So here 2 into 4, 8, 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. Then don't forget to write the denominator 4. Next example 3, 5 by 7. 3 into 7, 21. 21 plus 5 is equal to 26. So 26 by 7 is the improper fraction. So 3, 5 by 7, the mixed fraction is converted into the improper fraction. 26 divided by 7. Next is the reverse case. That is improper fraction into mixed fraction. So 11 by 3, that is an improper fraction because numerator is greater than the denominator. Then divide it. Actual division 11 by 3, you will get quotient 3, remainder 2 and divisor is 3. So this is the pattern 3, 2 divided by 3. So here the quotient will come the whole number part and the remainder will come in the numerator and the divisor will be in the denominator. Okay. Then next example 25 by 4, when it is converted into mixed fraction, it will become 6 1 by 4. And the other example 31 by 7, when it is converted into a mixed fraction, it will become 4 3 by 7. Next is addition of fractions. Addition of fractions, for example, it is 2 divided by 3 plus 1 divided by 3. In this case, denominator is the same. So just add the numerator. So here 2 plus 1 divided by 3, which is equal to 3 by 3. You know that 3 by 3 is equal to 1. Then what happens if the denominators are different? Second example, 5 by 7 plus 2 by 9. Here you have to make the denominator same. For that, take the LCM. So take the LCM. Here it will become 5 into 9 plus 2 into 7, the whole divided by 7 into 9. Now, after calculation, you will get 59 divided by 63. Then, second example. Second example, 3 fractions are there. 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4 plus 2 by 5. So, here also we need to keep the denominator same. For that, take the LCM. LCM of 2, 4 and 5 is 20. Then, to make the LCM same, so 1 by 2, the denominator we have to keep 20. So for 1 by 2, multiply both the numerator and denominator with 10. So it will become 10 by 20. Then 3 by 4, to make the denominator 20, multiply both the numerator and denominator by 5. So it is 15 divided by 20. Then 2 by 5, to make the denominator 20, multiply both numerator and denominator with the 4. It will become 8 by 20. Now the denominator is the same. So 10 by 20 plus 15 by 20 plus 8 by 20. So just add the numerator and write the denominator, same denominator, that is 20. In this example, one is a mixed fraction, another one is a whole number, another one is a fraction. So here 1 3 by 4 plus 6 plus 5 by 2. First of all, convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So it will become 7 by 4. 6 means 6 by 1 and the other one is 5 by 2. So here also, in order to make the denominator same, take the LCM. LCM of 4, 1 and 2 is 4. Now, then again, you know the calculation. Make everything denominator same. So in that case, you will get finally, after calculation, you are getting 7 by 4 plus 24 by 4 plus 10 divided by 4. So numerator, adding the numerator, you will get 41 divided by 4. Next is about subtraction of fractions. Here also process is the same. But instead of addition, you have to subtract. The first question is 3 by 5 minus 1 by 6. Directly you subtract 1 by 6 from 3 by 5. Instead, here also keep the LCM. Take the LCM in order to keep the denominator same. Take the LCM and instead of adding, you subtract it. So this is the step. Finally, it is 13 divided by 30. Then next question is, this question is different. Second question is different from the first question. So here subtract 2 by 11 from 3 by 10. So in that case, 2 by 11 from 3 by 10, that means 3 by 10 will come first, then minus 2 by 11. Then the remaining part is the same. Take the LCM in order to keep the denominator same. So finally steps are same. So finally the answer is 18 divided by 110. Then another question. Next question is subtract 2 by 9 from 5. That means 5 will become first minus 2 by 9. 5 means 5 by 1 minus 2 by 9. Okay, here also 1 and 9, take the LCM and the step is the same. Finally the answer is 43 divided by 9. Next is mixed problems on addition and subtraction. In the first question, 7 1 by 2 minus 4 1 by 4 plus 5 3 by 12. Here addition and subtractions are there. First of all, in this mixed fractions, you convert that into improper fraction. So 15 by 2 minus 7 by 4 plus 63 divided by 12. Here also, in order to keep the denominator same, take the LCM. LCM here is equal to 12. That you know how to find out the LCM. So finally, you will get 90 minus 51 plus 63. Here, in this process, here it is only addition and subtraction. There is no multiplication and division symbol. So in this case, directly you can subtract from left to right, because addition and subtraction are the only two operations here. If there is multiplication and division is also there, you cannot start from left to right. But in this case, because of this addition and subtraction only are the operations, you can start from left to right. So 90 minus 51 plus 63, you will get the answer in the denominator. Otherwise, you combine all the positive together. This is the way I did. That is 90 plus 63 together. Then after that minus 51. Both the ways are correct. In this case only. That is, here the operations are addition and subtraction only. But when it comes to multiplication and division, this method you need to use. That is, first of all you add all the positive together, then negative together. So here finally, in any other method, any of this method, you are going to get the final answer 102 divided by 12. So this is a final answer. This is a final answer, but this also, if you want to reduce, you can reduce it with a common number. 102 and 12 are divided by 2. So you can reduce it into the lowest form also.